Thank you for purchasing the Abilize Aeron-Li. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your scooter should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery is available straight to your doorstep. Carefully cut the tape and any straps with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Once opened, you can start lifting out the packaging and the individual scooter components. Start by lifting out the seat and set it to one side. Twist this small dial at the front of the scooter to unlock and raise the tiller head. With the tiller head locked in an upright position, remove the wrapping. You can now access and lift out the front basket. Packaged with your basket, you should find a small box containing the battery charger. You will also find in a clear plastic envelope the ignition keys and an instruction manual. Please keep hold of the manual as it contains useful information on the assembly, basic maintenance and best use of your scooter. To remove the scooter body, you can break it down into 3 separate pieces, all at a reduced weight. First, lift off the battery by the handle, then set it to one side. Squeeze the small lever behind the seat post to separate the front and rear sections of the scooter. Then lift out the smaller rear section. Next, lower the tiller head and lift out the longer front section of the scooter and place it with the other components. With all the components out of the box, including the armrests, you can now begin assembling the scooter. Reconnect the front and rear sections of the scooter using the red lever to make sure the 2 components are secure. Then raise the tiller head into a fixed upright position and drop the battery box back into place. Remove the nut on the front of the battery to access the battery reset switch. This is located just above the battery charge point. Next, remove the plastic wrapping from the seat and carefully drop it onto the seat post. Now you can attach the armrests. Slot the armrests into the side of the seat, and once you've found a comfortable width on the armrest, twist the dials on the underside to secure the armrest in place. Repeat this process on both sides. Finally, slot the basket onto the brackets on the front of the tiller head. Switch on the scooter using the ignition keys. A display on your tiller head will tell you how much battery life is left on your scooter. We recommend fully charging your scooter before taking it out and about, and on this model, the battery can be charged both on and off board. Your scooter is now fully assembled. Please keep hold of the box and any excess packaging just in case you wish to return the item. If you'd like any more details about the Abilize Aeron-Li or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.